We started this trip in the walled city of Cartagena. It's full of colorful streets, vendors everywhere, and just constant energy, bars, restaurants, music. And it was so much fun, and you can even walk along the historic walls to see some amazing views of the city. The beaches were nice, but not exactly what you picture when you think of Caribbean beach. So we decided to head out to Sofitel Baru, which is about an hour boat ride or an hour and a half drive, which you can just grab an Uber. As you arrive, there's this beautiful open air lobby and you can just see the ocean and the property and you're like, oh, this is going to be relaxing. They take you to a room by a golf cart, so the property is pretty large and a bit hilly. So there's rooms up on the hillside and other buildings down closer to the beach, which is the one where we stayed. So the food here is actually really good. One of the main restaurants you can go to is right by the pool and the beach, and it's perfect for a casual lunch or dinner. They bring out these amazing plantain chips with this really great dip. Casablanca is where the breakfast is, and if you haven't included like we did, it is kind of a whole vibe. There's a huge spread. We definitely recommend filling up because you really only then need to eat twice a day. And they have this really amazing omelet station. So we got omelets every morning and they were delicious. If you're hanging by the pool, you can always order snacks and drinks, which is very convenient. All right, and then there's Ume. So you do need a reservation for this one. It's a little bit more elevated, and it was one of the best meals we had on the property. The presentation was beautiful, and the food completely lived up to it. We also really loved this food truck that was down by the beach. It's super casual. You can grab quesadillas, sit right in the sand, just relax. I got a shrimp quesadilla and a beer and it was perfect. So the main reason we came here though was for the beach. We really were just craving something quieter, a bit more tropical, and this absolutely delivered. The water is blue, calm, clear. You can actually swim and just hang out in the water for hours. You can rent kayaks and even try e-foiling with lessons or take a boat trip. They can go snorkeling or go see the Rosario Islands. They also rotate activities throughout the week. Bonfires, live music, so there's always something going on if you want it. If you don't, you can just relax. They even have this little book area where you can borrow something. If you're traveling with a family, they have a kids club, plus lots of activities like volleyball nets, ping pong, checkers, chess, lots of options to keep you entertained if you want. So for our room, we were in the building closer to the beach on the second floor. And all of the rooms face the ocean, which I think is a really nice feature. Everything felt really clean and modern. There was a big rain shower. It had a great layout. But my favorite part was definitely the balcony. Sitting out there with a coffee and looking at the ocean and hearing the waves was the best. They also have a fridge and a coffee machine. They left us nice little snacks, which was very cute. There are so many pools on this property. There are 5. So the upper pool is probably the best for swimming. It has 2 levels with a waterfall connecting them and lots of little areas to sit. As you head down, there's another pool with an infinity style edge that looks over the ocean, which is really cool. So these are 2 shallower pools, which are great for families, and one of them is almost just like a little wading pool. And then they have some nice cabanas and lounge areas everywhere, so you never feel overly crowded. Okay, so the next one, we had to walk up the stairs to the adults only pool, which is really nice to have if you just want something quieter. If you like to work out, there is a really nice gym. It is super clean, has towels, water, everything you need. And then of course there's a spa, so you can fully relax, get a massage, or just spend some time unwinding. So a couple things to keep in mind. It is a bit spread out and hilly, so you will be either walking, or if you need help, you can always call a golf cart to get you around. We also were there during an election period, which was interesting because they had a temporary law that had alcohol restrictions for the weekend. So it was like Friday to Monday. So if you are planning just a weekend, and it's something you might want to be aware of just when you're going to visit. But overall, this is a beautiful spot. And if you've already had your fill of energy and action in Cartagena, this is a perfect place to come and slow down because you can just swim, relax, enjoy some beach time. And if you're looking for that clear, beautiful water with lots of pools, and you can do absolutely nothing besides swim, nap, relax, eat, this is a great option. My recommendation would be to do both if you can, because the city is so much fun, but it's also great to just get out and have some really beautiful water. And this is a top tier resort, so I would definitely recommend it.